Hello everyone. Today we have come up with an internship opportunity at Starbucks. Starbucks has invited the applicants for the role of intern in New Delhi, India. Interested candidates can apply for this. Starbucks India may be a 50-50 venture between Tata Global Beverages and Starbucks Coffee Company. Currently, they have a presence in 8 cities with over 125 stores through a network of over 1800 plus passionate employees, which they call partners. The mission statement of Tata Starbucks is to inspire and nurture the human spirit, one person, one cup, and one neighborhood at a time. And core values are the roots of our culture and serve as guideposts for our partners, that is, the employees. So, here we have a long list of to dos for each of the candidates. So, we'll be looking into each of them. So, it starts with acts with integrity, honesty, and knowledge that promote the culture and values of Tata Starbucks. Anticipates customer and store needs by constantly evaluating the environment and customer focus. Maintains a calm demeanor during periods of high volume or unusual events to keep the store operating to standard and to set a positive example for the shift team. Develops enthusiastically satisfied customers all of the time. Welcomes and connects with every customer. Discover customer needs and appropriately suggests product with every customer to enhance service and meet sales goals. Responds to customer needs and says thank you to every customer. Demonstrate the just say yes behavior by taking care of customer needs. Delivers legendary customer service to all or any customers by acting with a customer comes first attitude. Assists with new partner training by positively reinforcing successful performance and giving respectful and inspiring coaching as required. So I know this is a long list, but these are some very basic tasks one has to do, like saying thank you to each of the customers and putting the customers' needs at the first. So this was all. Now contributes to a positive team environment by recognizing changes in partner behaviors that may signal potential problems or changes in partner morale and performance and communicating the changes to the immediate supervisor or store manager. Follows Tata Starbucks operational policies and procedures, including those for cash handling and safety and security, to make sure the security of all partners during each shift. Maintains a clean and arranged workspace in order that partners can locate resources and merchandise as required. Maintains regular and consistent attendance and punctuality. Provides quality beverages, whole bean, and food products consistently for all customers by adhering to all or any recipe and presentation standards. Follows health, safety, and sanitation guidelines for all products. Recognizes and reinforces individual and team accomplishment by using existing organizational methods. Protects employees and customers by providing a secure and clean store environment. Follows store policy and procedures for operational flow at each station. So, the purpose and scope of the position, this position contributes to our success by providing legendary customer service to all customers. This job creates the Starbucks experience for our customers by providing customers with prompt service, quality beverages and products, and maintaining a clean and comfortable store environment. Barista is responsible for modeling and acting in accordance with Tata Starbucks guiding principles. So some of the must includes the experience and education. No experience as such is required, and the minimum educational qualifications will be 12th grade graduate or diploma, or someone with a diploma degree. And competencies: winning with integrity, working together, achieving results, helping others succeed, living our mission and values, making every customer feel special. So these are some of the very basics competencies, the basic must includes that a candidate must have, and I guess almost everyone applying for this will have these qualities. So the location of this internship will be New Delhi, India, and the employment type, as I already told, is an internship. So you can just go to the EduBard official website and check out the link to apply. Thank you.